So the first thing you're going to do is go on the data worksheet. You're going to click cell A1. And on the Insert tab, click the Pivot Chart button, and then choose Pivot Chart. The dialog box will appear, and the range is selected. Go ahead and click OK. Name the sheet tab Pivot Chart. And you're going to drag the test field to the filters area. Drag the grade to the values area. Okay, and then you're going to want to drag grade again to the axis area. Drag proficiency level to the legend area. Then move the chart to the left edge of the worksheet below the data, and then resize the chart if needed. On the test drop-down arrow on the chart, choose Science and click OK. Click the Format tab and click the text box button. And click the top of the chart. Add a label that says Student Science Test Scores and make this label bold and 18 points. Alright, and then click cell A3 and change the label to say just count. Alright, click F4 and click on the label for unsatisfactory. Move the mouse pointer to the left edge of the cell until the mouse pointer changes into a four-headed black arrow, and drag the mouse between columns C and D. You're going to repeat step 13 and move the advanced column to between proficient and grand total. So you're just going to drag it. And then you're going to want to resize the pivot chart so it goes to column L. Alright, and you're going to want to save the workbook as 12 test pivot chart solution.